Okay, I'm going to show you how to download and install Node.js. So the first thing you want to do is go to nodejs.org and then go to downloads and then pick the operating system what you are using. So I'm using Windows and it's 64-bit. So just click on the 64-bit and it'll start downloading. I have already got it downloaded and here it is here. You want to double click on it. And then it will start the process. You want to click on next, accept. If you accept the license, you can read it if you want to, and then do next again. Where you want where you want it to go. So you want it to go into program files like normal. I just leave this as default. Don't mess around. If you know what you want, then mess around as much as you want. Just click next and next again, and then install. And that is it. So I'll show you when it's finished doing this. I'll just quickly fast forward this bit, and see you again in a minute. Okay, so now it's finished. What you want to do is press finish, and then open up CMD. So you want to press. Let me just go to start down here, and then type in CMD, and this will bring up command prompt. And then you want to do is node then -v, and this will tell you what version it is. And that is it. So I hope you found this useful. Remember to subscribe, rate and comment, and I'll see you again in the future. Bye.